Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to make overnight refrigerator pickles. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video, we're making quick pickles. I'm going to show y'all an easy, simple way that you can take your cucumbers, like when you start just having a few come in and you want to pickle them, but you don't have a lot to can. So I'm going to show you today how to make these easy, quick pickles. I got my cucumbers from my grandbaby, so I'm going to pickle some of them and I'm going to save a few for salads. So y'all come on and let's get started. Okay, to do the quick pickles, the first thing you're going to need is some kind of jar to put them in. And you'll want to make sure your jars are clean and sanitized. You can use any size you've got based on how many cucumbers you've got. And if you want to add a few other ingredients to it. And today, that's what we're doing. Okay, what you'll be needing also is some pickling salt, or either you can use regular salt. You'll be needing your cucumbers. I'm going to put a little dill in mine, a few little garlic cloves, an onion, and some peppercorn. And then we're going to use vinegar and water. You'll use equal parts vinegar to your part of water. And I'll put just a tiny bit of sugar in it, just to sweeten it a tad. Not much. I'm not trying to make the sweet pickles, but I do add just a little bit of sugar to cut the vinegar just a little. Let's get started. Now there's different ways you can do your pickles. You can either slice them, you can cut them up in like 4 ways, or you could even put them in there whole if you wanted to. But today we're going to cut ours up in like slices, like you would put on hamburgers. We're just going to cut ours not real thin, but I want them a little bit thicker. And now you could take and peel your cucumber if you wanted to, and cut some that way. And just then cut them in slices, depending on how you want your cucumbers. I don't mind just leaving the peelings on mine because I like that part. Okay, we're going to go with that right there and see how many that makes us. Okay, I'm going to cut up about half of this onion. I don't want to put a lot in it, but I do want to put a little bit of onion in it because I think it just gives your pickles a good flavor. And whenever your garden is coming in, you can pickle almost anything that you get out of your garden. You can do green beans, you can do beets, the cucumbers. Get this garlic cut up. We're going to add a little garlic to it, and we're going to add some dill. I'm not going to use all of this dill, but we are going to add a few twigs. Now we're going to start adding our stuff to our jar. I'm going to add just a little bit of the dill and some of the onions to the bottom. You can pack your jar ever how you like. And then we're going to put a couple of the garlic cloves down there. And then we're going to start adding our cucumbers. And then once we get our jar filled up, we're going to go and we're going to work on making our brine. We'll add a few of the ones with no skin on them in the middle. And then at this point, I'm going to add some more of my dill and the garlic. You can even put carrots in here. You can pickle your carrots when you have carrots. And now we're going to finish filling it up with our cucumbers. And you can pack it. We'll put one more little twig of this dill right on top. And I might even put just a few more pieces of this onion on the top also. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my peppercorns. I'm going to add around probably about a half a teaspoon of peppercorns, and I'm just going to let them fall down in there. I'm even going to try to make them go down to the bottom. Okay, and now we got to work on our brine. Now for quick pickles, you can use white vinegar or you can use apple cider vinegar, whichever one you choose. I'm going to go ahead today and I'm going to use up my white vinegar because I'm almost out of this, so I might as well try to finish this jug up. And this is cheaper than your apple cider vinegar. Now, whenever you're doing a quart jar, 1 quart jar will hold 1 3/4 cups of water, around about, depending on how many pickles you do have the jar stuffed with. So you're supposed to do half vinegar to half water. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure out for my vinegar. So we're going to do a little bit less than 1 cup of vinegar. And now we're going to fill the rest of the way with our water. Okay, so now we've got equal parts water to equal parts vinegar. We're going to go ahead and pour it in our saucepan. And now to your brine, you can add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar if you want to. But today, I'm going to add just a little of these stevia drops. Not many. Just because I'm trying to stay away from white sugar. We're going to bring that to a boil. Okay, it's starting to get hot, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my salt. And I'm using pickling salt, but you don't have to. I just have this, so I need to use it up. And what you'll do a half a teaspoon of salt per 1 cup of your mixture, of your brine. So since we're doing 1 3/4 cup of brine, so for this mixture right here, for that 1 quart jar for quick pickles, refrigerator pickles, I'm going to add, there's a half a teaspoon, and just shy from 1 more half. So not quite 2 half a teaspoons. And now it's coming to a boil, and I'll just let that mixture boil till it comes to a good heat. And you know your salt has dissolved. Okay, starting to boil. The salt's already dissolved. So now we're going to take this and we're going to pull it off of the heat. And then I'm going to let this cool before I pour it over the top of my pickles. Okay, y'all, it's been a little bit. We let our brine cool and it's down to like almost room temperature. Now you can pour it straight over your cucumbers as soon as you get that salt dissolved. But I like to let mine cool because I just feel like your pickles come out more crispier. And once that salt's dissolved, just pull it off the heat, let it cool down. That's the way we do it. And we're going to now pour it right over our cucumbers. So I'm just going to add my brine back to my measuring cup. And that'll make it easier to pour right into my cucumbers. Just going to pour it right over the top. Okay, that made exactly enough for my quart jar of my quick pickles, refrigerator pickles. So now we're going to get the lid. Okay, here's what our pickles turned out to look like. And now we're just going to go ahead, we're going to put our lid on them, and we're going to let them cool all the way down before we put them in the fridge. Now you can eat them the next day, but they're better if you wait till the third day, then open your jar of pickles. They're easy and simple, and it's a great way to use up those cucumbers when they start coming in. And they will last probably around 2 weeks in the fridge. I wouldn't go no longer than that, or if you do, just make sure they smell good when you go to eat them. And if y'all like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.